Hello friends, welcome to my IELTS mentor, and today I am going to discuss about a cue card, and the cue card is describe an interesting animal. And friends, I am trying to give idea about cue cards with their follow-ups as well in all my upcoming videos. So please stay connected. First of all, let's see idioms and vocabularies that I have used. First is words of extinctions, or you can say brink of extinctions, means in danger or nearly extinct. Second is fascinate, means to attract. Reserve area, an area of land to conserve wildlife habitat, to protect wildlife habitat. Aptitude, an interest. उसके बाद दो idioms है. First is stones throw away, means very near, and second is cool as a cucumber, means very calm और cool. गाइस कुकुम्बर है वो हमेशा हवा के तापमान के कंपेयर में ठंडा होता है, मीन्स एनवायरनमेंट का तापमान कितना भी गर्म क्यों ना हो जाए, कुकुम्बर उसके कंपेयर में तो ठंडा ही रहेगा. उसके थ्रू ये इडियम्स बना है कि कूल एज ए कुकुम्बर मीन्स वेरी काम और वेरी कूल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर टुडेज क्यू कार्ड. And guys, I have written little lengthy answer so that you can adjust your answer by cutting some sentences which you find difficult for you. So let's start. Well, I have lots of interest in all types of animals and especially in wild animals. I love to watch wild animals and their activities because I think that they have different characteristics than domestic animals, which makes them more interesting. So, here I would like to talk about a wild animal which I found interesting, and that animal is Asiatic lion. Actually, in India, Asiatic lions are now on the verge of extinctions. So, they are mainly found in only one Indian state, which is Gujarat. Therefore, lion is a state animal of Gujarat. And I am also from Gujarat. That's why I am considered the lion as the pride of my state. The another thing that I found most attractive is that lions are known as a king of forest. The reason that why only lions are the king and not any other wild cats is the lion's appearance. Actually, lion's appearance makes them the king, and the hair around their neck serve as a crown of lion. In short, lion possess a royal look, great attitude and social pride among all other animals. And this power and positions of lion fascinated me to learn more about them. So that rather than searching on internet and reading books about lion, I made my decision to visit Gir Forest to see real lion. Actually, Gir Forest is a reserve area for lion, and as I had a great aptitude to know more about lion, I visited Gir Forest before a year with my friends, and luckily I got an opportunity to see lion. It was just stones throw away from our car. It was too beautiful, and at that time I realized that lions are not that much dangerous. They have a nature as cool as a cucumber. I also collected lots of informations from that reservations area. Asiatic lions look like an African lions but smaller in size than that. Actually, both are the subspecies of same species. In short, lions are true ruler, fearless, strategist, protector, and calm in nature. Overall, it is a fantastic animal. सो मैंने यहाँ पे एशियाटिक लायन की बात की हुई है जो कि हमारा स्टेट एनिमल है. सो आप भी अपने कोई स्टेट एनिमल और आपने देखा हुआ कोई भी इंटरेस्टिंग एनिमल के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट लेट्स सी फॉलो अप्स. फर्स्ट इज वाई डू पीपल लाइक टू कीप पेट्स. मीन्स लोगों को पेट्स रखना क्यों पसंद है. पेट्स मीन्स वो एनिमल जो कि हमें बेनिफिशियल नहीं है, जस्ट हम अपनी हॉबी के लिए और अपने इंटरेस्ट के लिए अपने साथ रखते हैं. So answer is, well, there might be many reasons to keep pets. However, according to me, the very first and common reason is the security purpose without any doubt. But in addition, they also help people to stay healthy and reduce stress. For example, I have studied that people with dogs have less heart problems and lower blood pressures because they got regular exercise from walking their pets. सेकेंड इज व्हाट शुड वी डू टू प्रोटेक्ट इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स. मीन्स जो एनिमल डेंजर में हो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं. एंड आंसर इज, आई थिंक that main reason behind the extinctions of many animals is the continuous changes in environment and their natural habitats. So that first of all we should help to protect environments and spread awareness among our society. And also we can donate funds as well as time for treatment of animals. Third is, do you support doing experiment on animals? मीन्स वैक्सीन्स एंड मेडिसिन जो न्यूली सर्च हुई है वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एनिमल्स को दी जाती है टेस्टिंग के लिए. सो आप उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं? सो आंसर इज, आई डोंट एग्री विथ एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग ऑन एनिमल्स because they have to suffer just because of selfish motive of humans. On other hand, medicines and vaccines without proper experiments cannot be introduced for use of humans. So I think any other intermediate way should be found for testing to reduce use and death of animals. After that, why do some people refuse to eat animals? मीन्स लोग एनिमल्स को खाने के लिए इनकार क्यों करते हैं? People refuse to have meat as their meal for various reasons, such as some people are health conscious and they don't find it healthy to eat animals. Some people belongs to their religions in which eating non-veg is restricted. On other hand, some people are animal lovers and they cannot see animals in trouble. After that, what would happen when some species disappear on Earth? And the answer is, all species are involved in food chain. So if even any one species will disappear, it can affect all the lives of that same food chain and also can cause extinctions of another species who is totally rely on that species for their food. मीन्स जो स्पीशीज़ डिसअपियर हो गई है उस पर आधार रखने वाली आगे की जो स्पीशीज़ है उसे अपना फूड नहीं मिलने की वजह से वो भी एक्सटिंक्ट हो सकती है. So these are the follow-ups which can be asked in exam and I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.